Unleash lawyers David Bruno and Troy Slayton also joining us. The actual prosecutor in this case, Ken Kratz, now the author of Avery, the case against Stephen Avery and what making a murderer gets wrong. It's available for pre-order on Amazon right now. Okay, David Bruno.
Yes, Nancy.
Don't just echo what your buddy Troy Slayton says. I want you to tell me, you're a well-respected lawyer.
Absolutely.
I want you to tell me what was wrong with that interrogation, because I say nothing was wrong with it.
I hate to break it to you and Ken, but this is not a new rule of law. Statements have to be voluntary. And now, what's changed here is that we now get to see videos of how police conduct themselves in providing Miranda and various other promises and pressures when they have defendants in custody. And it was here.
I'm still asking the same question. What was wrong with those questions? And you still haven't answered. Do you have an answer?
It's the overall. It's the totality of the circumstances. It's the age. It's the intellect. It is the promises.
He's 16 years old. Wait. He's 16 years old. He was repeatedly told he had a right to have a lawyer. His mother is waiting in the next room. She was asked to come in. She chose not to come in. His lawyer knows he's there and sent a representative from the law firm there. And he was repeatedly told he had a right to remain silent and he could have a lawyer with him. He also is not mentally ill. His IQ is in the average range. So why do you keep saying that?
Nancy, he doesn't have to be mentally ill. He doesn't have to be beaten. The issue of voluntariness goes far beyond just those factors. It's a totality of the circumstance. And I've always been very critical. I've been very critical of this documentary.
Ken Kratz, totality of the circumstances is a legal phrase, but it does not apply to whether somebody gets Miranda or not. So, Ken, can you answer the question and respond to Bruno?
Sure. The totality of the circumstances is the standard for voluntariness. However, totality of the circumstances, Nancy, is put together with all of those circumstances that we talked about. And when the magistrate in this case admitted that there was no promises that were made. In fact, the officer said, I can't make any promises to you. When they absolutely did not make any threats, when they told Brendan Dassey that we want you to tell the truth, telling the truth or imploring somebody to tell the truth is not the same as making promises or making inducements or threatening them. These are things that happen every day across this country when they take statements from people, and absolutely is not rendering this statement involuntary.
After Justin Fryman, very quickly, Justin.